This is supermarket trolley project. Here we are using PIC 16 of 877A, and then this is RFID reader module EM18. This is RF transmitter. The amount will be transferred through RF transmitter. Here I place the card. This is RFID tag. This is RFID tag. Just we place it. Reader will be receiving the amount. This is 97. This amount will be transferred through RF transmitter. Okay. Here we are using another one board. This is 89S 52. This is receiver. This is antenna we are placing. Okay. This is 8051 equal module. This is RS232 connector. This is connected to our PC. Okay. Here we are getting the amount 97. Okay. This amount will be transferred. We are getting in the PC. Okay. Okay. Now I show the card. Okay. So 94. Reader 281. Third card 368. Fourth tag 516. Okay. There is somewhat is 516. Just we check in the 8051 module. So 516 are receiving through RF receiver. Okay. Yes, we are getting a 516. Okay, finally we get a 516 the amount.